Back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today let's learn about how to change a profile picture in PayPal. So let's get started. At first, let's go to any browser and search for PayPal and click on this website over here. Now we need to log in. Type your email address and password. Now click on login. Now we are in PayPal interface. Now click on this setting icon over here. So let's tap on this. And we are in our account. Here we can see our profile picture. So let's tap on this. And click on add your photo. Choose the photo you want to add. And click on open. So here it is. So this is how you can change your profile picture in PayPal. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe.